Urinary infection and vaginal infection, they both are very common in women. They have overlapping symptoms, and also because of these overlapping symptoms, it is very difficult to differentiate between the two and give the proper treatment. Because of this, many women will get treated wrongly. Urinary infection affects urinary system, that is bladder, urethra. Vaginal infection affects vagina and the surrounding area. How do we differentiate between the two? Come, let's have a look at it. Urinary infection is mainly common, and why it happens is because of holding urine for longer period, not having enough water, poor hygienic condition, and also sexual activity where bacteria enters the urinary system. And also it could be because of menstrual unhygienic conditions also. How do we go about it? What are the common symptoms we look for when we have any patient coming with urinary infection? The common symptoms are burning sensation while passing urine, lower abdominal discomfort, frequently passing urine, and passing very small amounts of urine. All these are common in urinary infection. Now let's see vaginal infection. What are the common symptoms in vaginal infection? They will have pain around the vaginal area. Sometimes it could be itching and irritation also, redness around the area, and discharge, which could be thick or watery, foul smelling, greenish, yellowish, and also causes lot of irritation. Why do vaginal infection happen? It could be because of wearing tight outfits which is non-breathable. It could be because of poor menstrual hygiene. It can also be because of the use of soaps and intimate products. It can be because of poor hygienic conditions of toilets, and also it can be because of hormonal imbalance. Both vaginal and urinary infection can happen because of poor unhygienic conditions, using public toilets, and also poor menstrual hygiene. It can also be because of wiping from back to front, where bacteria is from the anal area comes into the front, causing infection of both urethral region and the vaginal region. Now we know that both can cause troubles in women. It is better to take the treatment at the earliest. Consult a gynecologist if you have either of this vaginal or urinary infection, or if you are confused whether it is a vaginal infection or a urinary infection. You can consult the gynecologist where they differentiate between the two and give you the best treatment.